Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to access Chrome extension. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to extension right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that, and it's going to load up like so. From here, you can simply scroll down and see a lot of extension right here that you can simply download and install and add to your Chrome browser. You can also come to the top right here and type in the whatever name of extension you are looking for, or better still, come to the top right here, click on extensions, and all the extensions is going to load up right here. So you can browse by category. There are extension of communication, developer tools, education tools. You can scroll down. These are by lifetime section, make Chrome yours, and the likes. You can scroll down right here, and from the home screen right here, you see a lot of Chrome extensions that you can simply add to your Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply have access to Chrome extension without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.